Good morning, everyone. I joined with Ahmadiyya community and the American Red Cross to pay homage to the 3,000 Americans who lost their lives 10 years ago. As we recognize and commemorate the 10th anniversary, it is time to be sober, it is time to be solemn. And I think the effort by the Ahmadiyya community to give blood in recognition to all the lives that were lost is a very powerful statement. And it's important for all of us who embrace religions of all kinds in this country to recognize that the Ahmadiyya Islam community is all about peace. And they take the Quran and speak with very precise language when they say that part of the Quran and belief in the Quran is to believe in loyalty to the country in which you live. And they firmly and enthusiastically embrace that message. So I'm here today to give blood in remembrance of all those who died.